Welcome back to our channel. Today we're comparing two popular toothbrush heads, the Philips Sonicare C1 and C3 Plaque Control. By the end of this video, you'll know which one is better for you. First, let's talk about the materials. The C1 has simple nylon bristles. They're gentle on gums but good at removing plaque. The C3 uses advanced bristle technology. These bristles are densely packed and shaped to fit your teeth and gums. It's like a custom fit for your mouth. Now bristle design. The C1 has standard bristles for everyday cleaning, but the C3 is different. Its special bristle pattern reaches tricky spots between teeth and along the gum line. Now let's talk about how well they control plaque. Studies show the C3 removes up to 10 times more plaque than a manual toothbrush. The C1 removes up to 3 times more plaque than a manual brush. But for the best plaque removal, the C3 is the winner. Durability is also important. Both heads last about 3 months with regular use. The C3's bristles keep their shape better over time. The C1 is more budget-friendly. It's great if you want a good brush head without spending too much. The C3 costs more because of its advanced features, but if you want the best cleaning, it's worth the extra money. I've used the C3 for a few months and my dentist noticed less plaque. My teeth feel very clean. Amazon reviewer. So, there you have it. The Philips Sonicare C1 and C3 are both great, each with its own benefits. If you want a good, affordable brush head, choose the C1. If you want the best plaque control, go for the C3. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more dental tips and reviews. Keep smiling bright. See you next time.